greensandmachines.com.
Hey folks, it's Vinny again, and we've taken our sunflower garden to blooming, or at least one of the flowers is blooming, and the other one, as you can see on the right of it, is much taller and about to bloom. So we're going to take some measurements today, see how tall our sunflowers grew in 5-gallon containers. So we have our, I know it's not facing towards you, it's kind of a bummer, but we're going to measure it anyway. This one is 29 inches tall, 30 inches tall. Yeah, 30 inches tall. And this one over here is a lot taller than that. I'm seeing 54 inches. It's more than 5 feet. Or no, it's not more than 5 feet. It's almost 5 feet tall. It's almost as tall as me. That's cool. So I'm gonna move these around so you can see them a little better, because I moved them to face the fence here. Or not necessarily face the fence, but they're getting some splash from the sprinkler system. So here we have the sunflower so far. Got this one at just a little above 3 feet. And here, this one's nearly 5 feet tall. It's gonna bloom pretty soon. So this should be exciting to see when this one actually ends up blooming. And I'll come back later and I'll show you what that looks like. And I'll also show you what this one looks like having multiple blooms coming on it, because that's kind of cool. Well folks, we've made it to the end of Sunflower Challenge 2020. As you can see, I've got 2 plants here. We've got the Mammoth Russian right here on my left, and we've got the Velvet Queen on my right. So let's get some final measurements and see where we place in Sunflower Challenge 2020. We're going to do height first. Our Mammoth Russian here is 55 inches tall. I'll give you some metric conversions later for those living in a non-American country. And our Velvet Queen here is to be about 31 inches tall. So a little shorter. Now let's compare head sizes, because this one actually has a pretty big head, a lot bigger than last year's. A lot taller than last year's too. Our head from petal to petal is about 3 inches. This one's smaller, of course. We got just almost 2.5 inches. Actually 2 inches. Yeah, as you can see, it's tall. It's very tall, almost 5 feet tall. But with the container underneath it that you probably can't see in the shot, it's almost taller than me. So yeah. It's finally fully bloomed today. We're at the end of July. I'm not sure why there's so many ants crawling on here, but you know, they're not killing the plant, I guess. And this one's kind of interesting too. I mean, I'll show you more photos of how these multiple blooms are coming in, because aside from just the 3 I normally saw, it looks like it's growing even more. So that is actually interesting. This would be a fun one to save the seeds from and plant again. And this one being as tall as it is, well, you know, I mean, it's not 12-footer, but it's only in a 5-gallon container and sharing with another plant that didn't seem to grow as tall. So in any case, that's Sunflower Challenge 2020, and hopefully we have Sunflower Challenge 2021 next year. I would like to thank Nick's Allotment Diary for organizing this YouTube competition. If you're interested in participating in this challenge, check out the link to Nick's Allotment Diary in the description below for the announcement video. Also, don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to Greens and Machines for more gardening videos. If you're curious as to how I grew my sunflowers last year, check out the description for the link to my playlist from last year's sunflower contest. We'll see you in the next video.